Hi friends, welcome back to SQL with Ravimartha. So in this session, we'll see what are operators in SQL. So this is part 10 of this video series for beginners. Most of the time, people know the keywords in SQL, but they don't know which operator it falls under, right? So let's sort out those doubts in this session. Then let's understand what are operators in SQL. So the definition goes like this. So the operator, nothing but it's a keyword or it can be a symbol which specifies the action between the two expressions. And let's see the what are operators. There are different types of operators in SQL. One is the arithmetic operator, which is like the mathematical operators. Then the comparison operators. Then the logical operators, set operators. And these are the key operators mostly we will use in SQL. And there are a couple of other operators which are there, but we will use little rarely. And I'll try to give the links for them as well in the description. So for now, today we'll discuss about these four operators in SQL. So the other operators are assignment operators and compound operators, then the bitwise operator, unary operators, scope resolution operators, and string concatenation operators. And the operators which are highlighted in red are most used operators in SQL. However, I will also give the reference links for these operators which are highlighted in black, right? So for them also I'll give a link in the description if you want to explore more. But these are the first four are the key operators and most frequently used in SQL, right? So in this session, we will discuss about these four operators which are highlighted in red. So let's go with the arithmetic operators. So as the name says, arithmetic operator, nothing but it's related to the mathematics, simple. And so it says the definition goes like this: performs the mathematical operations between two or more expression of one or more data types. So the first one is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Also there is modulus, which returns the integer remainder of a division. So that's kind of a reminder. So these are the mostly we use in mathematics. So these comes under the arithmetic operators. So in the interview also they may ask these particular symbols which belongs to which operators. We should be categorizing those operators. So those are the arithmetic operators which we will do the mathematical operations, right? So let's move on to the next one. Comparison operators. The comparison operators, they will test whether two expressions are same or not. To compare, simple, right? So the first one is equal, and the second one is greater than, the third one is less than, next one is greater than or equal to. So where we will use the greater than symbol as well as equal to sign. And the next one is less than or equal to. So we use less than symbol and then equal to symbol as well. The next goes not equal to, and the next one is not equal to. This is not ISO standard, but we still the SQL Server accepts this as not equal to. The other one is not less than. This is also not ISO standard. Not greater than. This is also not ISO standard. So the last three are not ISO standard, and these are ISO standard, right? So these are comparison operators. Still, this is like a mathematics. So we compare two expressions or two numbers, etc. Right? So that's the comparison operators. Let's move on to the next one. Then the logical operators. Logical operators test for the truth of some condition. So we'll say whether the condition is true or false, right? So in that there are different operators. So we'll go through the all list of operators and we'll see which operators are more important, more frequently used. Instead, we can say that all is a keyword which says true if all of a set of comparisons are true, and then AND condition. So as you know, for AND condition all the expressions should be true, then only the AND condition will be true. And then any, so it is true if any one of these set of comparisons are true. And the next one is between. So the between is the keyword. All these are keywords like all, and, any, between. So between, basically this between will be used to give a range. So you can say for between we can say find the employees who joined in year 2019. So for that we can say, so for between we can say an example that employees who joined in year 2019. So for that we can say select star from employees where hire date between 2019-01-01 and 2019 12/31. So that gives the year. So we are referring to the range of the dates here. So that between is used to give a range, right? Then the exist is a keyword which says like if the subquery contains any row, then it says the exist will give a true condition. And the next one is in operator. So the in operator is used to provide a list of expressions or list of values. So if we say select star from employees where employee ID in 1, 2, 3. So we are trying to select the employee IDs 1, 2, 3 using the in operator. So you can give a list of values here, right? The next one is like operator. So when you give this like operator, it will search for a pattern, right? You can say employees whose name is having a letter A, right? So select star from employee where name like percentage A percentage. So that's how it works. Then the next one is not. It's the reverse value of any other boolean expression. So it will it will give the inverse of what we are trying to search, right, when you use the not keyword. And the next one is or condition. So if any one of the expression is true, it gives the true condition. That's the normal or condition. And then sum. So it gives true if sum of a set of comparisons are true, right? So this is how the logical operators goes. And let's go to the next operator set. So that is set operators. So these are most frequently used operators in SQL, and in the interview also they may ask these they may ask what are set operators in SQL and give examples for that. So people may know the keywords but not they will not understand, they may not know which operator it belongs to. So set operators, the first one is except. So it gives the, so when you say table select star from table A except select star from table B, which means it will return the distinct rows from the first table which are not present in the second table, right? So that's how the except, which is most commonly used in SQL. And the next one is intersect, which gives the common rows between the two queries. That is select star from table A intersect select star from table B. So that's how the intersect works, which gives the common results between the two sets. Then the next one is union, and which will concatenate the data from two result sets, and which will also eliminate the duplicate records from those two queries. And we have also union all, which will not delete any duplicate records from the two sets, right? So these are set operators. And So in the next session, we will try to give example for each and every operators which we have discussed today. And for the rest of the operators, I'll give the link in the description. Do search in the description for the link if you want to explore the other operators. Thank you for your time, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and tap the bell icon. And if you have any other queries, you can do comment on my video. And if you like the video, please give a like, click on the like button. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you for your time. Bye.